So this is the Cretan edition of Address. It's very pretty. Anyway, I'm going to go on my way. So this is the orchestra. I'm actually installing the composer today. So I need to brush my hair. It's really rainy otherwise. I'm thinking about something. What I want to post about. So I have tennis. I want to push this on Please shoes. I love shoes. I love stockings. Right? So stockings very feminine. Shoes. You want to buy have those shoes online or any shop that offers have those shoes. So yes, have people behind those shoes because pretty shoes from Bowling thing if you live in the United Kingdom or in the United States of America. Sorry, not in the United Kingdom. So in the Netherlands, you can buy shoes from the Buying Cup. Pretty shoes from brands such as Michael Kors and so on and so forth. So that's why you can buy very lovely outfits. So make sure you have your hair well done. You can buy pretty hair from Fresh Hair if you live in the Netherlands. So Fresh Hair.nl in Rotterdam has very pretty hair, pretty weaves like this. Or you can buy skincare items from Me Gorgeous and makeup from Buzzy Shop, jewelries you may want to buy online from Pandora, Swarovski, and so on. For lipstick, I do recommend red lipsticks from the year or red lipstick from Chanel. So this you can buy from the Buying Cup in the Netherlands or directly online from the shops. If you do not want to buy high-end products like items of skincare, body wash and all that, you may want to shop from Ethos Craft in the Netherlands. For mouth hygiene, Elmer's toothpaste, Listerine mouthwash is highly recommended. For perfume, ooh, I love talking about perfumes. I love Chanel perfume. I like YSL. I like Hugo Boss perfume. I love Biotin perfume. I like Givenchy perfume. I love Gucci Rush. Gucci Rush is so good. I love Gucci Rush perfumes. So Douglas, Issy Paris shops in the Netherlands. In the Netherlands, where you can buy, Issy Paris perfume or gosh, what am I saying? Gucci Rush Gucci Rush perfume, right? In the United Kingdom, you may want to buy it from the Benninghams, from Boots, Boots, or from Superdrug. Okay, so there you can buy very pretty perfume and makeup items from brands such as L'Oreal, Maybelline, Boots, and Superdrug has very beautiful makeup items and perfumes as well. So you may be able to buy Giorgio Armani perfume from Superdrug. So Superdrug is present in London Hounslow, very close to Hounslow Central. So you have Hounslow Central, Hounslow West, and just Hounslow East. So this ritual product just got finished, so I'm going to use this one today. I'm a big fan of ritual skincare items. So this is the body scrub from the brand Rituals. I like it very much. So I'm a website designer, I'm a YouTuber, I love creating content. I build websites for businesses that already has a website and businesses that does not have a website at all. So what do I mean? For example, on akenepations.com/hotels, I listed top hotels in the Netherlands. So it's kind of recommendations. I build websites and also recommend brands, so to speak. That's the best word to say. I build websites for businesses that does not have websites, and I also build websites for businesses that does, in form of recommendations. So these recommendations has fees attached. So if I of course I've recommended so many brands under Dutch Delight, British Delight, on Blacknod.me, Nigerian Delights. For example, under the column Nigerian Delight, I've enlisted several brands that persons in Europe, in London, has never heard about, such as Kuda. Kuda is a money app, right? A little bit similar to Western Union, the same business service that MoneyGram Western Union provides, right? So Kuda is famous in Nigeria. Radisson, so most of you living in London, Newcastle, Manchester, especially Nigerians, does not know, some Nigerians does not know that Radisson has several branches in Lagos. For example, that Radisson Hotel is in Victoria Island, is in Ikeja. So I create this website to keep everybody well informed. So for my traveling friends, photographers, models, you will know where to stay. So I also added Bon Hotel Abuja, for example, on Blackmore.me and on myfabulousbeauties.com for almost 1 year. I didn't know that there is Bond Hotel in Warri, Delta State, so I just found out a few months ago and I added it on my website. Hey guys, so I sell my short story books. I add this on my USB stick, and also I tend to add some pictures. If you guys are interested, you can always contact me. I've sold several of these.